What up now? Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. This just got delivered by Amazon. Bed cover. Excited to get this on either today or tomorrow or this weekend. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty cold, but we're gonna make it happen. I decided to go with the BAK Revolver 4S. Was that 4XS? Yeah. Hard rolling cover. So this is going to be exciting. Can't wait to get this thing on. I did a whole bunch of research, tri-fold, rolling, the sliding panels that fit into a canister, soft roll up, hard roll up, tri-fold, quad fold, all that stuff, all kinds of research. These things come anywhere from $500 up to $1,500. So I didn't want the cheapest, didn't want the most expensive, but the BAK is pretty far up there as far as price. I waited till the holiday weekend, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, to see if I could get anything off of it. Amazon had it for maybe only about $100 off the normal price and free shipping. So there you go. This was supposed to come tomorrow, but it got here a day early, and we'll see how it goes. All right, I've taken everything out of the box. We've got your yellow bag here with I see the weather stripping and all the hardware stuff in there. Of course, you've got the rolling cover, and then you've got the two plates that I assume will go here that the rolling cover locks into and rolls across of. I'll have to remove these tie downs, and we'll go from there. Nobody wants to see my big butt up in the truck bed, so I'm not going to do any time lapse or straight up install video. I'm going to just do it. Hopefully I don't need any help, but if I do, I'll get some help to finish it up, and then from there I will get back to you and let you see what it looks like, and we'll go over the operation, opening and closing, and I'll go over if I had any issues getting anything put down, or not put down, but you know, any installation issues with this. We'll go over that. So be back soon. Hey, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm almost done, but I made a little bit of a mistake. Nothing major. All right, but here, and this is what happens when you watch a YouTube video but you don't actually look at the instructions. I mean, I did, but not much. These little things here, in the instruction video I saw, these ones go up under there as a seal. They're two pieces, like a cube, and then this also goes in between the back part of the bed and in between the little, going all the way down there. I can't show you, but maybe you can see it down up under there. I didn't realize that these small ones were in there, so I thought it was this, and you just cut it to size. These are actually the bumpers that go on the back of the rolling cover, so that if it sort of rolls forward, or it's not rolled tight and rolls forward, it won't crack the back of your windshield. So now there's two of these that go on each side. Now I only have three, and I've got both of these. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use one on one side, one on the other, and then I'll just cut the other one in half and do that. So, but just something to be aware of when you're doing one of these installs. Take a look at your instructions, even if the video is fantastic, which the one I've looked at is. But either way, it shouldn't be a big deal, and I'm almost done. All right, we're back, all done, all set, and here it is. BAK Revolver X4s. Let me make a couple of corrections. I think earlier in the video I said the BAK revolver, and of course it's BAK Revolver. And I think also I said it was the 4XS, but it is the X4s. So there you go. Premium matte hard rolling cover. All right, so got it all installed. I think I did a good job. It wasn't too hard at all. Pretty much did it by myself. Only thing I needed help with was when I took the actual rolled up part here and needed to put it on the rails. Had somebody help me put that on there. Other than that, all the hardware and the installation of the rails and everything, did that myself. So it's all set, all good. So let's check it out here. Tailgates come down nice and smooth. All right, we'll pop your little thing right there. You've got this on both sides. Down there you see, and then we just, one hand, roll it on back here. See right there, I put the bumpers on. Remember I told you I took one of those bumper things and used it incorrectly and had to cut one in half. So there's one that we cut in half and the other one on that side. All right, and then we've got the strap right here. If I can get it, strap. All right, hang on. Phew, and we're back. We got it. I had this a little bit too tight, so I couldn't do it with one hand. I had to loosen it up. But anyway, goes in there and obviously goes in on the other side. You turn it, throw it back, roll it back, push down there. Most of the time, both sides click in like it did that time. And then put the gate up. There you go, no problems. Hasn't gotten hung up or anything. With the tailgate, either way we do it, tailgate's looking good. No issues, not hitting against the edge of it or anything like that. It has rained since I put it on, and there was a little bit of rain right in here. I guess maybe some water gets in here, but just drops. It wasn't actual water. Checked the back against the cab and didn't have any water issues there. I think this is right where water could just roll off the back of here, and I don't think any should get down in here. Maybe there's an opportunity to kind of put a little something there so water can't scoot down in between there and get down into the bed. But other than that, I think it's a very successful install. I love the matte finish, and everything went in really nice. I'm very proud of this installation, but there you have it. The BAK Revolver 4. See, I almost did it again. BAK Revolver X4s. Whew, that dyslexia is kicking in. But there it is. I'm very excited about this. Hey man, check this out. A lot of different ones. I like this one. This is not a cheap one, but I think it's well worth the money. And looks good, looks good. I mean, you couldn't get more flush than this, you know what I mean? So, well, that's all I got on this one. Turned out pretty good. Like it if you could share this, like this, maybe comment on it. What do you think? Do you like this finish? Do you like this brand? Have you used this brand before? Do you like the way it attaches here? My father-in-law has one that kind of has the you pinch it and stick it in that way, and I don't know if this is any better or worse, but that's what it is. And it's been pretty easy to use one-handedly, so there we go. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time. Bonus footage, man. Something I forgot to say. A couple of things that helped me in the installation. This thing right here. This knee pad. Yes, the knees are old, and even with the bed mat in, it's still rough on your knees, and this came in very handy. This is a Husky one, but other companies make them. This one is a little bit bigger. I have another one that I keep in the house, but this one is a little bit bigger. Kind of, you can have both knees on it at the same time, but it definitely helps when you're inside the bed of the truck working around, because not only the bed mat, but obviously the spray-on bed liner can tear up those knees. Also, you might want to have a pair of scissors on hand when you do this, and definitely check. Why is my dog barking? definitely check out Real Truck videos on YouTube, realtruck.com, and the Real Truck YouTube page. I watched their installation of this. They did a fantastic job with going through the installation and telling you what tools you needed, tips and tricks and all that stuff. So definitely check those guys out. They make or they not only sell these things, but they also do videos on, like, you know, all different kinds of covers for all different kinds of trucks. So if you've got something different, a Ford F-150 or a Chevy Colorado, they've probably got a video installing either this type of cover or a trifold or something else. So definitely check out Real Truck. I'll try to put a link in the description. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, hey, thanks again. Appreciate you guys. And I'm out.